Hey, it's Craig. Today, I'm going to share something personal with you. It's a story about the day I finally believed affiliate marketing could work, not just in theory or for someone else, but for me. If you've been trying to figure this out, if you've doubted whether this could work for you, this video is for you. I see so many beginners get stuck in the same place I was years ago. You might be thinking, what's the catch? How can I possibly make this work without buying expensive ads or fancy tools? Well, here's the truth. You don't need a huge budget, complicated systems, or paid ads to find success. What you need is clarity, consistency, and one breakthrough moment that proves this path is worth it. For me, that breakthrough came when I earned my first commission using completely free traffic. That single email notification changed everything, from the way I thought about affiliate marketing to what I believed I could achieve. Today, I'm showing you how I did it, how Jonathan Montoya's free traffic challenge helped me, and how pairing it with Toolkit 3. The Freedom Toolkit created a repeatable system that works, even on autopilot. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start seeing your own results using strategies that don't cost a dime. And you'll be able to take the exact steps I did to go from doubt to success. Stay with me, because the first commission isn't just a number. It's proof that you've started something real. I was where you are not too long ago. I wanted to believe affiliate marketing could be my ticket to financial freedom, but I just couldn't connect the dots. Everything I read promised the world, but delivered disappointment. Every video I watched left me more confused. I didn't have a big budget. I wasn't about to drop thousands on paid ads. And honestly, I was tired of gimmicks and overly complicated systems. Then I found Jonathan Montoya's free traffic challenge. I signed up because frankly I had nothing to lose. It promised to teach free strategies for driving real results without spending $1 on ads. No fluff, no expensive upsells, just actionable steps I could take right away. For once, I didn't feel overwhelmed. Every day came with a specific task, like creating my first short-form video for TikTok or optimizing a YouTube short. The steps were simple enough for a beginner, but powerful enough to deliver big results over time. And then it happened. I logged into my email one morning, groggy and half awake. And there it was, an email congratulating me on the commission I had just earned. It wasn't a huge amount, but that didn't matter. It was my first earned commission, proof that the process works, proof that I could do this. That single moment lit a fire in me. That small win showed me what was possible. And the best part, I didn't spend a single dollar on ads to make it happen. Here's why I think free traffic is such a game changer, especially for beginners. First, it removes the biggest barrier most people face when starting affiliate marketing: budget. If you're like me when I started, hiring a team or running expensive ad campaigns just isn't an option. That's where platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and YouTube Shorts come in. Free traffic doesn't cost anything but time, and when done consistently with the right strategies, it can deliver insane returns. Think about it. These platforms are prioritizing short-form video content, which means they're pushing your posts in front of audiences you wouldn't reach otherwise. The key is learning how to create content that stops people mid-scroll. Jonathan's challenge taught me how to do just that. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you have no followers. The strategies he teaches are simple, repeatable, and ridiculously effective. Free traffic works because it levels the playing field. You're not competing with deep-pocketed marketers spending thousands on ads. You're focusing on organic growth, and that's where beginners can shine. The Free Traffic Challenge is a 5-day course that walks you through exactly how to start generating traffic on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Here's what each day includes. Day 1, learn the fundamentals of free traffic. Jonathan explains why short-form video is king right now and how to create posts that attract clicks. For me, this was a massive mindset shift. I realized I didn't need to reinvent the wheel. I just needed to show up and follow the process. Day 3, Jonathan takes you step by step step through setting up a TikTok profile optimized for affiliate marketing. I used his exact tips, and within days, my follower count started growing. Day 5. By the end of the challenge, you'll have a system in place that's ready to start producing results. You won't just have theoretical knowledge, you'll have real posts, videos, and traffic sources driving people to your link. One of my favorite things about the challenge, it's completely free. The free traffic challenge was my starting point, but Toolkit 3, the Freedom Toolkit, took everything to the next level. This toolkit is designed to help you produce consistent content, automate the process, and scale up while keeping things simple. Here's what's inside Toolkit 3 and how it helped me. CapCut. Before using this, editing videos felt like a chore. CapCut made creating smooth, professional-looking videos. For TikTok and YouTube Shorts, a breeze. Canva. I used Canva to make eye-catching thumbnails and graphics that stopped people from scrolling. If I didn't have great visuals, my videos wouldn't have performed as well as they did. Repurpose.io. This tool was a lifesaver. It automated my process of posting content across multiple platforms. I didn't have to manually upload to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels each day. Repurpose.io did it for me. TubeMagic. I paired all of this with TubeMagic tools to grow my YouTube channel alongside my TikTok profile. Testimonial. Denise from Orlando said, Toolkit 3 made my life so much easier. I never thought I could manage content this efficiently. Within 2 weeks, my videos started getting consistent views and commissions followed. It's not just me. Thousands of people are proving that free strategies combined with the right tools can deliver results. Elijah from Phoenix. I started posting TikToks using what I learned in the free traffic challenge. Within 3 weeks, I earned $300 in commissions. Toolkit 3 helped me scale even faster. Mia from California. I didn't think free traffic would work for me, but Craig's videos gave me the push I needed. Now I'm creating daily and seeing real results. These wins aren't just numbers. They're proof that free traffic strategies aren't just about potential. They're about results. Here's what I want you to take from this video. Success starts with belief. For me, that belief came when I earned my first commission. For you, it might start with your first lead, your first post, or the first time you see traffic coming to your link. But none of it happens if you don't take that first step. Start the free traffic challenge using the link below. It's free, simple, and effective. Download Toolkit 3, the Freedom Toolkit, to make creating and scaling content easier than you thought possible. Drop a comment and tell me what's holding you back from starting. I read every comment and I'd love to help you overcome those hurdles. Subscribe for video 5, where I'll share the tools I used today and how they've built my most profitable systems yet. Your dreams are closer than you think. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. I know you can do this.